If you have a client that's a little bit heavier than you are and you're not sure if you can lift them completely and comfortably and safely for you into Cobra, there's a nice little modification here. It's called the Pillow Cobra. So I'm going to place her pillow right over her hips. I'm going to sweep the arms back, and I'm going to sit down on her hips. Literally just sit right down on her. I'm going to lift this arm and gently slide a leg over and slide her arm over. Make sure she's comfortable. Are you comfortable? Mm-hmm. Go ahead and place your chin on the mat. Instead of pulling on the arms, you're going to be pulling on the shoulders. So get a good hold of your shoulders. Take a good inhale and exhale. And just gently lift her. Make sure your client's chin is lifted. Beautiful. Gives them a really nice back bend. And I'm very comfortable myself. I'm not straightening in any way, shape, or form. Ease them down gently. Keep your chin on the mat. We're going to do it one more time. Take a good deep inhale. Exhale, lift. When you're in any of these poses like this, stay very connected to what you're doing so you can listen to your client's body. Make sure you're not taking it too deep, or you can give it a little bit more if that's what they require. Just got a good breath flow going. Nice. I'm going to just gently ease her down. Perfect. Sweep, release, sweep, release. And go ahead and come off.